So today is going to be a DIY video, and I'm going to be talking about how you can make your own body scrub at home. So, body scrub is something that you should incorporate into your skin regimen. So it's something you should be doing every day or once or twice every week. So I want to show you how I make my own body scrub. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can make a simple DIY body scrub. And this scrub is something that it could be lightening, it could just help to maintain your skin color, or you can decide to skip something. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to use in this video. So if you want to see how I make this body scrub, please don't forget to click on the notification button, so each time I upload a video you'll be the first to see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if today's your first time of stopping by, you are most welcome, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. So as I was saying, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to use in this video. The first thing I'm going to be using is my sugar. This is the brown sugar, and sugar is actually going to be the exfoliator. It's what is going to help to exfoliate your skin. So this has like some, more pronounced, particles that are going to be able to scrub your skin. And you can use either you can use either brown sugar or white sugar, or if you like, you can also use salt. It doesn't really matter. Each of any of those of your choice could serve as the exfoliator, so it doesn't really matter what you want to use. But for me, my preference is brown sugar, so this is what I'm going to be using. The second thing I'm going to be using is my oils. I'm going to be using different types of oils in this video. So I have my olive oil, I have my avocado oil, I have my sweet almond oil, I have my tea tree oil, I have my rosehip oil. So those are the oils I'm going to be using, and I also have my lemon oil. So those are the oils I'm going to be using. I'm going to incorporate all these oils because oils help to keep the moisture in your skin, because when you begin to scrub your body, the oil makes your skin not to dry out, and helps to make sure you're not scraping off all those oils, your natural body oil. So it helps to retain moisture and just keep your skin still looking moisturized. And yes, so the next thing I'm gonna use will be the lemon. Like I told you, I already showed you the lemon oil, but I have my lemon liquid I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you later on in the video when I start the process. Then I'm going to also put this rose water. I like rose water in my skincare regimen, whether it's a toner, whether it's a face mask, or whether it's a scrub. I would just like to add a little rose water to it. So the last thing you're going to be using is honey. So, but for the honey, this is not really necessary. You don't have to use honey if you don't want to use it. But for me, I'm just going to add like 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, because I just like honey on my skin. It just, it just makes it better. So I'm going to be adding honey, but if you don't want to add it, you can just use just the 3 major items in this video, which is the brown sugar, your lemon, and your oils, whatever oil you choose. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So right here, I'm going to show you the bowl I'm going to be using to mix this mixture. I'm going to be using this big bowl, then I'm going to be using this one to store. The bowl has been cleaned and sprayed down and all that, so it's been sanitized and everything. So these are clean bowls. Then I have my spoon right here that I'm going to be using to mix, and here is the lemon I'm going to be using also. So that's the lemon I'm going to be using for this body scrub. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, and let me just let you know, this video is not going to be a talk through, so please make sure you're watching what I'm doing, I'm going to be showing you each item before I put them in the bowl, so you know what I'm putting in the bowl. If I forget to show you anything, I'm going to put it at the description box down below, so make sure you endeavor to read the bottom section of this video to be sure I listed what I skipped from telling you. So that's it. The first item I'm going to be using is my brown sugar. We overcame by the blood of the Lamb. 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 Everybody, everybody, come on to the left, to the left, by the blood of the Lamb. By the blood of the Lamb. We overcame 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 by the blood of the Lamb. Everybody, everybody, come on to the left, to the left, by the blood of the Lamb. By the blood of the Lamb. We overcame 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 by the blood of the Lamb. Everybody, everybody, come on to the left, to the left, by the blood of the Lamb. By the blood of the Lamb. We overcame 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 by the blood of the Lamb. Everybody, everybody, come on to the left, to the left, by the blood of the Lamb. So hey guys, thank you for staying tuned. As you can see, my hand looks moisturized, glossy, and well polished. You can see a difference between the before and after. That's how it looks. So if you have a question, please don't forget to leave it at the bottom section. This is the bowl I'm going to be storing it with in my refrigerator. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the way I'm going to store it. I can use this for like 2 weeks if I'm using it every day, or if I'm using like 2 to 3 times in a week, I can use this for a whole month. It's going to be in my fridge. When I want to have my shower, I just take it out, use, and put it back in the fridge. So that's how it's going to be. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot to do. I need more subscribers. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment at the bottom section if you try this DIY. And please don't forget to like this video. Give me a thumbs up. And please click on the notification button so each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to see it. And thank you for stopping by today to watch this wonderful video. And I'll see you in my next video. God bless you and please stay safe. Bye-bye.